Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import items in Zoho Inventory. If you're managing a large product catalog or transitioning from another system, bulk importing can save you hours of manual data entry and get your inventory up and running quickly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all the key features of the platform. Now look over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Items tab. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your inventory. From this expanded menu, click on Items again. This takes you to the main Items page where all your products are listed and managed. Once you're on the Items page, locate the three-dot icon in the top right corner. This is your More Options menu, and it contains additional actions you can perform. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Import Items. This is the gateway to Zoho's bulk import feature, which allows you to add multiple products at once instead of entering them individually. Before you upload anything, you'll want to make sure your data is formatted correctly. Click on Download Sample File to get the official template from Zoho. This template shows you exactly which headers and fields are required, helping you avoid errors during the import process. Open the sample file and review the structure carefully. Follow the necessary template headers to ensure accurate importing and prevent any issues with missing or mismatched data. Once your file is ready and saved, return to the import page and click Choose File. Browse your computer and select the item import file you've prepared. After selecting your file, you'll need to decide how Zoho should handle duplicates. Choose your preferred option, either Skip, which ignores duplicate entries, or Override, which replaces existing items with the new data. This gives you control over how conflicts are managed. Click Next to move to the field mapping step. Here, you'll map the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in Zoho Inventory. This ensures that each piece of data lands in the right place. If you plan to import items regularly, check the box that says Save these selections for use during future imports. This will save you time on subsequent uploads by remembering your mapping preferences. After mapping your fields, click Next again. Zoho will now show you a preview of the import and highlight any errors or warnings. Take a moment to review this carefully to catch any issues before finalizing. If everything looks good, click Import to complete the bulk import of your items into Zoho Inventory. And that's it. You've successfully imported your items in bulk, streamlining your inventory setup and saving valuable time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.